As the sun rises over the grass and grain stubble of Nebraska's public lands this fall, hunters will make their way into the field in search of ring-necked pheasants. Whether or not they harvest a bird, they will leave with the memory of time spent in the outdoors and the relationships built between friends, family, and the land. Pheasant hunting in Nebraska is an important tradition that has provided a connection to the land for generations of Nebraskans and continues to bring in hunters from all over the country. Pheasant hunting provides enormous conservation, cultural, and economic benefits, but this tradition is in trouble. The bird that has put food on the table and brought hunters flocking to the state is in decline. The management actions we take now will determine whether pheasant hunting becomes a part of Nebraska's future or fades into our past. Wildlife managers work very hard to create a pheasant-friendly landscape, but all that habitat does the birds no good unless they choose to use it. Animals will often avoid an area if they believe that they are at risk from predators in that area. With a limited amount of public land receiving heavy hunting pressure, we have to ask ourselves what signals we're sending our pheasants and how they're responding. My study tracks fine-scale movements of pheasants and pheasant hunters to determine whether pheasants are avoiding those areas in a field which receive the heaviest hunting pressure. I'm recruiting hunters to my study by chatting with them on online pheasant hunting forums. When they arrive in the field, I equip them with a handheld GPS that tracks their progress during their hunt. This gives us a precise picture of how hunters are moving through the landscape of our public lands. I catch pheasants and equip them with a GPS logging collar that tracks their movements throughout the season. The collar takes time-stamped GPS points that tell us exactly where our birds are going and when. Using these two sets of locations, we can model the interaction between hunter and pheasant habitat choice in real time. By understanding how our hunters are using our public lands and how that's impacting pheasants, we can manage our public lands to direct hunting pressure away from critical pheasant habitat features. Helping our pheasants access the resources they need will begin to reverse their downward population trend and ensure that pheasant hunting remains a part of Nebraska for many years to come. Thank you.